Intentions and arrangements. Hi. On today's video we're going to learn how to use different verbs form when talking about intentions and arrangements. So, let's begin. Going to versus present continuous. We use both going to and the present continuous for future actions and events that are already decided or arranged. I'm having lunch with Terry this afternoon. Or, I'm going to have lunch with Terry this afternoon. We cannot use the present continuous for things it is impossible to arrange and control. What am I going to do if she says no? Not, what am I doing if she says no? We cannot use the present continuous for permanent states or indefinite and long-term plans. Sally is going to be a doctor. Not, Sally is being a doctor. We're going to make a lot of money one day. Not, we're making a lot of money one day. We use the continuous phrases be planning, plus, to, plus infinitive. Be aiming, plus, to plus, infinitive, be thinking of, plus, verb plus, ing to talk about plans. Kevin is planning to walk across America. He's aiming to do it in less than 100 days. Future simple and continuous. We use the future simple, will plus infinitive, for decisions we make at the time of speaking. Okay, I'll come to the meeting, but I won't say anything.
We use the future continuous, will, plus, be, plus, verb, plus, ing, to talk about plans that happen without being specially arranged.
We can also use could, may, might, going to, plus, be, plus, verb, plus,
N.
I'll be going to the meeting, so I can pass on your apologies. I might be seeing Jill tonight. We're not going to be passing your way. We also use the future continuous to say that something will be in progress in the future. While you're enjoying yourself, I'll be working.